See, now we are trying to print this pattern. We'll discuss how to write the Java program to print this pattern. Okay, see, if you observe this pattern, you are having numbers from 1 to 7. Okay, and in between stars we have, right? So we'll see how to write the program. Okay, so I'm writing package statement, package com.html.com. After that I'm writing public class and after that I'm writing main method. After that I'm creating scanner class objects. Okay, so after that I'm using control shift 4 statement to print the scanner statement. Okay, to import the scanner class I'm doing control shift 4. So import statement came, and now I'm asking user to enter the number of rows from the keyboard. Okay, how many rows you want in this pattern. And after that I'm storing whatever the number of rows user has entered from the keyboard. I'm storing that entered number in the variable n. Okay, after that I have to print the output. Okay, I'm saying here is output, here is your so I have to print the numbers, right, from 1 to 7. Okay, in the each row as per the row number. For I equal to 2, for the row number 2 I have to print 2 numbers in between stars, and for the I equal to 3, for the row number 3 I have to print up to 3 numbers in between stars. Okay, like that. So I'm taking for int model of j is equal to 1, j less than or equal to I. First of all we are trying to print the numbers. Okay, we will see what we should do after printing numbers. Okay, I'm printing j. Okay, after that I'm writing statement j less than or equal to I. Okay, first of all we have to write one outer for loop, right? For each row, for int I equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, and I plus plus. Okay, so after that we have to right. So for the each row I am taking from 1 I equal to 1 to I less than or equal to n I plus plus, and in the inner loop j is equal to 1, j less than or equal to j plus plus. Okay, we'll see how it will print the pattern. Okay, I'm entering 7, suppose 1 2 3 1 2. So now we are printing the numbers. Okay, we have printed the numbers like this 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, but now it's time to print the stars in between the numbers. Okay, for that what I have to do, so if you observe this pattern, So for I equal to 1, for I equal to 1, okay, j is equal to 1. For I equal to 2, so whenever I and j value are same, okay, it should print j, okay, otherwise it should print j along with the star. Suppose, see what I am trying to write is, okay, I am writing one if condition, okay, if j equal to I, okay, then I am printing j, okay, otherwise else condition I am writing, else I am printing j plus star I am adding, okay. Okay, so after if else, I have to write system dot print statement to come to next line, okay. Now if you observe, after closing the outer for loop, I have to close scanner class object, right? Now I am doing format, okay. See, if you observe here, what will happen? So we will see now how it will print the pattern. Suppose I am printing number 7. Okay, in the else statement, did I write? Okay, after else statement, if else, after that, okay, after else statement, I have to write the wait, okay, I is closed here. Okay, this is the main method. Okay, where should I write? Okay, see here pattern is printing, but it's not in the proper order, right? Okay, if else, after if else statement, I have to close the, okay, see now, see now, okay, after closing j loop, I have written the system dot print ln statement, okay, to come to the next line, okay. And now if you observe the execution, see, I'm adding the comments. So whenever I equal to 1, okay, whenever I equal to 1, j equal to 1, and okay, j less than 1 less than or equal to 1, this condition is true. Okay. So here I and j values are same, right? Okay, and after that if condition we are going, okay, I equal to j, right? I equal to j, true here. Okay, so it will print j. Okay, means what is the j value? 1. Okay, after that j value will become 2. Okay, so after j value will become 2, 2 less than or equal to 1, this condition is false, so it will come to next row. Okay, after that j value will become 2, after that j value will become 2, and 2 less than or equal to 1, it's a false condition, so it will print, it will not, it will come to next row, come to next row. Okay, after that now I equal to 2, right? Now I equal to 2, what will happen? With I equal to 2 and j equal to 1, when it will come to inner loop, so j equal to 1, so 1 less than or equal to 2, this condition is true, so it will print, so it will come to if condition. So if I and j are same, here I and j are not same, right? You take I equal to 2 and j equal to 1, right? So I equal to j is false here, so come to else. Okay, it will come to else statement. In the else statement it will print, so it will print j value first. So what is the j value? J is 1, and it is adding with star beside, right? So 1 star it will print. Okay, and after that j value will become 2. Okay, j will become 2, and 2 less than or equal to 2. Okay, this condition is true. Okay, and now I and j value are same, right? I equal to 2 and j equal to 2. I equal to j is true, so it will come to if condition. Okay, and it will print j, means print what it will print, only 2 it will print. Okay, like that it will be same for another rows. Okay, I equal to 3 4 5 6 7. So in the first row, as per the output, okay, in the first row it will print 1, in the next row 1 star 2 it will print. Okay, so whenever j is equal to I, okay, then only we are printing only j. Okay, otherwise we are printing j plus star. Okay, like that. Okay, hope you understand. If you have any doubts, please comment below. Thank you.